COVID-19 pandemic, trouble time for street animals in India. Street animals, whether we are aware or not, play a huge role in our lives and the environment. Therefore, it's in our best interest to help them however we can. There are approximately 30 million free roaming dogs on India's streets. There are also cows, cats, and other animals that live on the streets with a known to care for them when they become sick or injured. The numerous horses, donkeys, and camels used as draft animals, all of whom live in the difficult conditions on the streets of villages and cities around the country. One needs to look at stray animals with empathy. The poor creatures are born and die on the roads, pups get crushed under moving vehicles, and many are run over by reckless drivers, leaving them paralyzed and maimed for life. They eat whatever they find and sometimes they stay hungry. Dependencies of street animals on humans. It is a law of nature that every creature in this creation is dependent on each other. Similarly, these street wandering creatures are dependent on humans. Thousands of stray dogs and cats in India depend on food and waste from restaurants, markets, and grocery shops. Apart from feeding stray creatures, humans have also played a huge role in taking care of their well-being. When these animals get sick or injured, only humans help them. They take care of everything from taking them to hospital. Humans are the ones who also provide shelter and love to them. Since these are very social animals who not only depend on people for food and everything, but also genuinely like being around us. In short to this, animals are somehow depending on humans for their basic needs. Lockdown creates problem for creatures. While we are sitting comfortably in our house and getting at least 2 meals a day, thousands of stray animals in all over the India have almost nothing to eat since the lockdown. They are surviving on little trash they can find. Even the people who care for them can't step out to feed them regularly. With coronavirus sending people into self-isolation and public establishments shutting down, strays are having a hard time to finding food. Many of the animals have become malnourished and many have died of hunger as well. The coronavirus lockdown has not only enforced the entire country indoors but has put India's four-legged strays in extreme distress. Unavailability of food and water in the penetrating summer is influencing stray animals all over the country. Strays have been struggling to find food to kill their hunger because restaurants and eateries down the shutters and food trucks parked at homes. They have nothing to eat, not even leftovers that they always relied on. Dogs who are not dedicated feeders suffer because even production of garbage from eateries has stopped, and meat shops, which were their favorite place to hover around, have shut. Most animals go unnoticed and don't get medical help as well. Effect of lockdown on street pets. Not having anybody around for so long is quite stressful for these animals. With the lockdown, stray animals that typically feed on garbage generated by eateries would suddenly face a huge scarcity of food. We don't know if this will include major behavioral changes in them. Will dogs become more aggressive and start hunting? Will they survive or die? All these questions got arised in the humans who care for animals. Because of the lockdown, there are no people on the road and animals are not being run over. So there are no animal cases. It is a negative ratio for accidental death. Then there is a little high ratio of sick animals. The number of cases of sick animals got increased due to the lockdown. Starving in the lockdown leads these street animals cause diseases like pain, fever, jaundice, shortness of breath, weak lungs, heartbeat and abdomen distension, changes in organ size, and in extreme conditions, it may even lead to death. What are the steps we can take to save them? As a human being, we have to help these street animals as there is no one other than us to help them. The best and the most effective way to help street animals is to raise awareness in the community. Talking to the people in the community can bring about the changes that will dramatically improve the welfare of these animals. Spare a few rotis or some rice and a little milk, which can give rise to a filling meal, for the strays who are going hungry. Take a dog or any other street animal from the street into your own home. If that is impossible, look out his medicines, vaccines, food, and give them a supply. Put out a little bowl of water outside your homes on your balcony. Dogs, cats, and even birds are going to be ready to quench their thirst. If you want the best for stray animals, it is important to call a rescue organization or a local shelter. You can facilitate animals at local pet shelters, thus reducing the resource crunch that these organizations are currently handling. If you have got a chance to donate masks, hand sanitizers, grains, pet food, and other necessities, it makes an entire world of difference. Helping animals in need is one among the foremost rewarding belongings you can do. Even the smallest things can have significant effects on the lives of the animals on the street. You make a huge effect when you donate to save animals. These funds will be used to buy supplies like food and medicine and to improve the shelter's facilities. Every little bit you donate counts, so lend your hand in funding for the street dogs.